everybody. Welcome to Anna Rainbow World. And today we are going to read Billy the Bully. All around the big schoolyard, children sat in twos and threes. But Billy the Bully sat alone under the mango trees.
Where's Billy?
Gosh. He's right there.
Oh.
And there's no one near him.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all these people playing, except for these two girls.
And Billy is sitting alone.
Look, there. They are playing games.
Mm-hmm.
When anyone went by him, they ran as fast as they could. No one talked to Billy the Bully. They felt he was just no good.
Oh, that's really
Oh, look at that guy.
sad. Yeah.
And look at Billy. He's much more angrier than in this picture.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, next.
Go away! He yelled at Jack. He stomped on Tom's lunch pan. Get lost! He yelled at Jim and threw water at Jan.
Wow, that's a mean boy.
Yep.
Jeez.
Oh, look what he is doing! Look at the tasty bread! Tasty peanut! Is that pea?
Oh
What
my
is that?
God.
What is that?
That's so mean. So that's.
Is that juice?
Is that John's lunch?
Yep.
Oh my God. Or Tom's lunch. It's Tom's lunch pan.
Peanuts
What a
and
mean
milk
boy.
and oh my gosh, Chubby! That Billy is a terror. That boy is very bad. I think he is the worst bully that this school has ever had.
Look at everybody's faces.
Oh my gosh!
Everybody just looks so frightened and scared of him.
Look how much people are in the.
Oh, those are children looking out from the classroom also. But look at these boys here. This big guy is very scared. Look at him. Oh
Yes.
God. Everybody's scared of Billy the Bully.
I think we can count all the children.
Okay, let's just count the children here. And then you move on to the next page.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 6 of them are looking right there. All right.
It was like this every lunchtime. It went on for days and days. The school got very tired of Billy's bad and awful ways.
Wow.
Oh, look at those things in his teeth.
All of them just look so scared. Look at that one girl hiding behind that boy.
And look at his hair. I mean, his hair was like that on this page. Look at his hair, and now. Why?
Okay, maybe it's because he's so scared of Billy the Bully. Where's
And also,
Billy? Where's Billy?
this is Billy.
Wow.
And it's also the same picture as this part.
Oh, that's a picture on the outside, on the
Yeah.
cover. Okay.
One day, Samuel Small stood up. He was the smallest boy in school. He said, I'm going to tame that bully. Others said, don't be a fool.
Where is Samuel? Oh, that's him. He seems to be a brave boy.
Ooh.
Okay.
I don't know why it says
Yeah.
G lunch. I think it will say big lunch. Jamaica land we love.
Yes, this is a Jamaican story.
He'll eat you up like porridge. Oh my.
Billy is going to kill Sam or eat up Sam like porridge. Billy is
Yeah.
going to eat up Sam like
He
porridge.
says that. He says that.
Oh, that guy said it. Okay.
He'll squash you like a bug, she says.
Okay.
And this guy says he'll flatten you to the floor and leave you there like a rug.
Oh my. If I were Samuel, I would be feeling so afraid right now. But look at Samuel's face. He doesn't seem to be afraid at all.
And
Look
he's
at
shorter
him.
than everyone.
He's shorter than everyone, and he's smiling. Wow. You okay?
I'll be okay, said Samuel. I'm just going to try. Someone has to take a stand and make peace with that guy. I knew it.
Yeah.
It said big lunch. On
Big
that other
lunch.
page, I was thinking
Awesome.
it would say big lunch, and I got it right.
Yeah.
Samuel marched across the schoolyard, just his lunch pan by his side.
I wonder what idea he has in his head. Let's find out.
Okay. He sat down next to Billy and the whole school ran to hide. Why would he sit down next to Billy? right there.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Wow, let's see what. Yeah, everybody else is afraid and they're hiding. Let's see what's going to happen.
Would you like to share my lunch, Billy? I have an apple and a June plum. I have banana and cheese and orange juice. I thought you would like some.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
Yes.
That's the idea he has in his head, to share his lunch with Billy the bully.
Really?
Wow, let's see
Look
if
how
it will
close
work.
You want to share your lunch with me? Billy the bully said, yes, I thought you might be hungry. You might be hungry. Here, have some. Go ahead.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Oh, look at the bun and
for
cheese.
Lunch? That's bun and cheese? Okay. And what else does Samuel has in his lunch plan?
Apple.
Uh-huh.
Orange juice.
Where's the June
I
plum?
love orange juice. I think this is... That doesn't even look like a June.
Yeah, maybe we can't see
Is that
the
the
June
one?
plum
Oh,
from
I think that's the June plum.
Maybe. All right, let's see what happens on the next
I see
page.
cheese right there.
Wow.
They ate their lunch in silence. But Samuel felt no fear. This one time, Big Bad Bully was smiling from ear to ear.
Oh my God.
Look at all these children. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children now. Soon the two were talking, and when lunch came to an end, Billy was no more a big bad bully. Wow. He was Samuel's newest friend.
Wow.
Maybe that's why he was a bully. Because he had no friends.
He had no friends. Oh,
that's why he wanted to be a bully.
Yeah, he had no friends.
If I was a bully, I would just ask for a friend.
Yeah, instead of trying to hurt everybody and doing mean things to get people's attention.
Yep.
Right.
The children came out of hiding.
Okay, I guess everybody wants to see what will happen next. Let's see.
Let's see.
Go ahead.
And before the day was done.
Wow, everybody seems to be happy playing together.
They're playing football with the box.
Even that big guy. Everybody's friends with Billy the bully now. Let's see. Go ahead.
Billy was just one of the guys.
Wow. Look at that picture. Can we talk about what's happening on the picture?
Oh my gosh.
They're playing football
Let's
right
count
there.
all of the children.
They're playing football with an orange juice box. Is that an orange juice box?
Yep.
That's creative. What's happening on the next page? They're going to play bat and ball. I see somebody with a ball and a bat.
Samuel
yes.
and Billy.
And Billy is going to be playing with everybody today. That's awesome. Everybody looks so happy on this on the pages.
And school was much more fun.
I can imagine. Indeed.
Look, he's putting his hand in his pocket.
That Samuel is a brave boy. And Samuel and Billy are now best of friends. Look at Billy. Smiling ear to ear. Wow.
Yep. I'm also a pocket.
So you see, sometimes bullies just need a little love and friendship from us.
That's the end of the story, boys and girls. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.